This is the Asus UX501V. The CPU is a Core i7 and the GPU is the GTX 960M. This is the main board. Look at its sleek design. Reminds me of a MacBook Pro. Take a good look at it. This is the latest hard storage from Samsung. This is the latest generation of hard storage from Samsung. For those who are doing graphics and video work, this is ideal. This is a Samsung SM951 SSD. Very fast. I'm going to remove the SSD so that you can get a closer look. This is a SM951 SSD from Samsung. This is 512 gigs, 512 gigabytes. But you saw that. Where it came from, bearing in mind that it is static sensitive. Have to be careful how you handle it. Let me replace the screw. Close it down. I'm going to remove the RAM stick, the 8 gigs of RAM. By the way, it has another 8 gig integrated into the main board. This is the remover one. This is 8 gigs. So it has 16 gigs in all. There you have it. Let me replace it right back where it came from. And snap it in gently. Snap it in. Okay. Cooling system. It has 2 fans that cools the CPU and the GPU. This is a copper tubing. It provides cooling for the CPU and the GPU. Very sleek design. I just love this laptop. And I took it apart for you guys. Okay. Let me give you another close-up look at the design of the board. This is my almost new Asus laptop, and I took it apart just so that you guys can see how it is designed. Take a close-up look, guys. This is a chassis and this is a battery pack. I think it gives you 45 minutes. And this is the ribbon for the keyboard. Keyboard ribbon to the main board. I love the metal finish instead of plastic. Let's open the lid and see the design of the keyboard. Looks like a MacBook Pro, doesn't it? This is a Core i7 logo and a GTX NVIDIA graphics card. This is the back panel. Came with Windows 10. Here's the logo. Shipped with Windows 10. That's the logo right there. This is the, well, this is what is stamped on it, 2016 of June. That tells you how recent this laptop is. Hope you give it a thumbs up. See you in the next one. Hope you like MacBook Pros. I have 3 of them, and I'm going to take them apart so that you guys can see what they look like on the inside.